Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. We are going to start here in Audience Builder. You can Audience Builder. That is a section called Contact Builder. In Contact Builder earlier, we have used a little bit. We have created data extension in alternative way. For a single record, insert and custom that time, we have used Contact Builder. This is the section we have under one time used during the last time or even studio. But how to create if I want to create the custom data extension that time? Here we have used, but now we are going to familiar with the other section, Contact Builder. This is the what it is this? This is the Contact Builder. It contains, when we do the data extension, what it is data extension? It means it is a contact. But what do you know all on that? Data extension means that does not make their subscription. It is not like the moment. First we are sending them in and they are doing the opt-in, then they become subscriber. Let's start from here. Some background. It is showing all of the one test. Enter this account. Enter this account. This is the area we are going to discuss on, is a contact mill, some introduction, some contact filter and contact analytics. Better, if possible, can use some notebook to note some points. First is all contact. If we move to all contacts, here is the key point. All subscriber in Marketing Cloud is a contact. But not all contacts are subscriber. Why you have noticed earlier, we have created in Contact Builder, we have created a data extension, data estimation. We have uploaded data. That does not mean they are subscriber. You move it. When you have sent back mail through Content Builder, they become subscriber, and that means all subscribers in Marketing Cloud is a contact. But not all contacts are subscriber. The all contact steps. All contact app provide a list of all contacts within your Marketing Cloud account in all contacts there. Here is a lot of sections are here. We have created also data extension here. Everything is here. Email channel, mobile channel. These are the channel and there are a lot. This section is displaying all contact. Is it total 25 pages, 5 pages to enter 25. This is it. This is it, contents all. This is all contacts, the all contact apps provide a list of contacts on 10 within your Marketing Cloud app. From the list, you will be able to find the additional information like engagement. A membership and activities will find out additional information. Engagement into the what is an investment activity related to specific message. Membership subscription to message or list on all available channels. Act to be information on the specific content. Information of the specific content. These are the attributes like contact key, mobile number, email address, device ID with the name source. These are the attributes. If you click here, if you notice here, just magic the theory and order of notice here in theory. In front of the list, you will be able to find out additional like investment, membership and attributes. Time management means activity related to the specific messages membership, subscription to messages or list in available channels. Act to go information on the specific content. If we again move to here, first is the investment. It will be if any activity is related to over these contact page. It will be displayed here, membership. This is a mobile number and keywords for added source of in method. Activate this contact ID, chat messenger, demographics, some information with the street act to go to the production. It is a contact key, all attributes. It is just been membership information. And it is a mobile number device ID. We have to go to that. This is the information. Engagement, it gives the investment. It will be distributed related to passive message, membership, subscription to the message or list in the available channels. Act to go information on the specific content. It all for the you provides a full view of all available information on the contact and their introduction with your marketing, a force of all contact. You provide a full view of all available information and their introduction with your marketing efforts. Use you all contact, you allow to centralize your database activities and gain a pool and throw a channel to open your contact. You could suppose this is a problem. You must see activate. Using the all contacts, you allow you to centralize your database activities and get a full cross-channel view of the contact event. To view the contact this channel time period activity membership and at least an subscription as well. Channel time period activity membership. It is to go to here, click on one contact. Go to left side. Question. These are the channel already is in this account that you created. These are the it is a mobile connect team channel. Time period. Next is time period. Cont. This is a very high important contact deletion contact meter contact. Today we do not have a much more spoke work because these are the features that is not allowed already available. You cannot look but just need to be familiar with it. Contact deletion. Contact deletion in contact builder, contact deletion. These are the very key important point. Why the contact deletion is important? This is the component. Why this contact deletion? Cases. If you are interested, at some point your customers may ask you. Your customers. They can ask you to delete their personal information from your records which you are applies to in order to complete the GDPR tools, or this is some regulation. Compliance or regulation of the location or country. The GDPR CCPA regulations. If customers not willing to carry, go with you. You need to your power to release them. How to delete that data, personal information from your records. On next sentence. We'll need to know how to delete the relevant contact information in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which also happens in contact. We can delete contact source. Where is that option? We just notice here. Contact configuration. At the end there is option called attach the delete. Enable this feature. In a ways these pictures to permit. We can set up an information from Contact Builder and other associated apps within your account. Delete process removes contact information from Contact Builder. Other associated apps with your account. This is a Delete contacts. Remove contact in contact from your marketing client contact and contact data account. Delete contact information with data compliance regulation. Delete contact information. It should meet data compliance regulation of the location. These features applies only to contact email, studio or subscriber, mobile contact mover push and contact builder. These features, whenever we are deleting even who are the subscriber already or subscriber mobile connect, mobile push, that means they are already in your system. They can get delete through this feature. This is that only do you have shared, where is the option for particular this option here. I understand the enable this feature permits delete contact. I understand that the enable this feature permit or the contact information from this at all. I think it will be not there is. Since it is a we are using the common environment, it will be not to go ahead with it or to limit. I understand the enable this features permits authorized users delete contact information on this account. You are not authorized. It is you do not have the correct roles and permissions enabled to access this information. We do not have an access to delete contact features to activate. It cannot do happen next. Contact delete with contact delete based practices. This is the section we have not able to integrate best practices. First option they didn't go to here. Go to all contacts. It is a contact key or it is a contact key. Use contact key or contact ID value to delete contacts action. This is the key or primary key we based upon. If you want to delete, use contact key value to delete contact. It would link multiple subscribers key or contact key value to a contact record with a performance contact delete process for all values. Multiple subscriber key or contact key value to a contact record. This is a set of but it contains lots of data to improve contact. Delete performance rate. Suppose you have lots of records. You can break your request into smaller requests and submit each request in 5 minutes apart. These pictures we are not able to do the practicum because instead these pictures is not enabled for us. We need to go little theory here because this delete features is not enabled for us. You cannot reintroduce a contact. That is easy and suppression re-interruptible. Once you have deleted it is under process. I cannot revert there. We cannot reintroduce a contact that is in suppression or in the process of being deleted. It is under process of being deleted. We cannot revert there. We cannot contact. Once it is a delete, it cannot revert well or in under process of deletion. It also not revert that possibly after the suppression period. Over during this time we cannot part of any sense including transaction or sense to the contact. When it is being deleted, that moment you cannot do any work. It is being deleted. You cannot send any mail also. Again, on top, delete based practices. What is the bit to delete? The deletion process scans all sendable data extension. Deletion process scan all sendable data extension because on process it contains lots of detection extension in an account. To remove the specified contact records to improve the speed of this process, delete any unnecessary sendable data extensions in your account. When you delete a contact from a list or detection extension, export any list or detection, you can delete up to 1 million records. It is a maximum at a time. You can delete 1 million records at a time. In contact with the, you can create mobile channel list in contact with the. For multi-channel mobile customer, we have the mobile list is in contact with us. Stimulate the contact creation process, creating list in contact with the relevant the needs to create list in multiple mobile studio. All stack all tasks associated with the contact management, including audio station purpose in the contact wheel. Next day we do the practical. One text let us, it is all contacts, it is a mobile list. I can cancel it. This is all about contact deletion. Next is the theory question is a contact analytics. Contact analytics for it is. If a delete, suppose deletion happens, some contact we are not able to showcase to delete because that privilege is not with any of our account. Just in contact, and if delete happens, contact delete the code if this happened. It is not showing. It may be part day, week or month. Contact delete if it is deleted any data and it can display it, but it has not deleted anything. Contact Analytics shows the status of your contact delete request by either in Marketing Cloud Contact Leader app or your list page calls. Use this dashboard view for separate types of contact delete statistics. Use the dashboard in your problem account. Contact Analytics. Here is the code category total, complete processing, indirect in the. The first is suppose we have deleted records. In Analytics, it will be displayed the total artist. Total when shows the sum of all contact. Delete requested, delete request initiated in your account during the pacifier time period. During pacifier time period, this sum of all contact delete required initiated. That count will be displayed because that count will be displayed in total. That data will come here, but it is since it is that privilege is not that it is not showing here. Next is the complete. Complete shows the sum of all contact delete requesters. Sum of all contact delete requests made in the pacifier time period that sucks will be complete in that same time period. Next is processing. Suppose some delete under process. Show the sum of all contact. Delete the requests that have not concluded at this point. It is under process of deletion, but it is not deleted. That is the under processing step. It will be displayed processing step. Suppose 10,000 records is under process to delete. It will be showcased that it is a processing step. Invalid shows the sum of all contact. Delete the request that content bad data and ignore successfully content. Contact delete request happens, but that content bad data and did not successfully complete any of the invalid request results from an errors in REST API request. Invalid request results from errors in each REST API request. Next is for the error occurs on the request that original from a child business unit or that do not include one or more contact key values. This contact analytics, it is already showcased that day, week per day be. It may be one view, the data for the applicable time period. The day shows the request column and status of the 24 equal to the MNL equal to, it can showcase here, but there it will be click at day basis, that 24 hours, last 24 hours, how many hours data as we did that record will be displayed. Week per month, the day shows the request column and status for the past 24 hours. Week shows the request column, delete request column and status for the past 7 days. Month, the record borrow and shows the past 30 days. If it is a display data, this is real-time data. You can address the case after the data shown. If the contact analytics step is missing from your account, ML contact will, it is a contact analytics steps is not missing. It is already in our account. This is the all for today. We have covered up. This is the data section. Now you can click on data, you can go back. Click here where is the data you can contact, will there. Not content builder, contact builder. It is a content builder. He is audience builder, contact builder, contact builder, contact configuration. We can contact configuration. Just notice the below there is a contact delete options. It is contact delete. Time to time it may be necessity. Suppose you have to tap in done. You do not want to keep system those data you want to delete, and also some subscriber they have raised in events. Also they do not want to keep their personal information. Even you do not feel all time happy. You are getting lots of mail from unnecessary viewer, you not are, which is not your now business or any state. Also, those things you want to delete. But it will not pardon because it is that privilege is not with us. This is the option. Then if it is, then inside it lots of criteria we can do for the related to delete. This is the option part window to go to delete, but that feature is not at present with us. Click on Data Designer. Just it is a data designer. We will be prepared data. I will be prepared that at equal notice here. Auto showing here whenever you embrace every hour cycle. This is showing the count like mobile pusher 3 at the volts, mobile contact 31 at the volts. It is a 200 at the volts. Where I hold it is showing 49 or 2 is context. Changing contact letter can impact your account information. This is the data designer. How this connected contact. This is a sales post related to the production. Should contact ethanol upon contact roles. Contact designer. That to tell you I am into the contact builder. One will not happen. Nice that to what is and this data designer there is on sectional. You have noticed the what is the data designer? Data designer is a tool within contact builder that is used to define, organize related information about a contact with that account. We have got access of the sales post SFMC. Oh, and here we will be define, will be organize, will be related information about contact with an account. This data designer to define attributes about your contacts. When we are creating a contact, that means the contact is a contact ID, email ID, profile number, and several attributes we are defining. This data designer, it will be defined before importing the contact. You need to define your template, which are the attributes from a country import, then data will be matched with that. You can use data designer tool to define attribute about your contacts. Get attribute groups, like you can put attribute groups that allow you to define relationship and design populations that allow you find and subgroup contacts. This section will be do hands-on tomorrow. This section will be get data designer, will be create one touch using data designer, will be great structure and the great contacts. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.